Hi guys, I want to show you guys a quick and easy tutorial how I sorted my problems for my check engine light and my TC light that was on. I have a 2006 Chevy Cobalt with approximately 104,000 miles on it. And my issues was it was shifting very hard. And the check engine light was on and it was the throttle body. So I have replaced the throttle body on it. But you can take it to your local AutoZone, let them put a scanner on it and see what's wrong with it. It tells you what part that needs to be replaced. You plug it in underneath here, you scan it, you put it on the on ignition, and then it will scan all the codes and see what's wrong with it. But what I have done, and tricks I have done to get it going, was I have replaced the throttle body because it was on engine reduce mode, like limp mode, and that was the problem. And then my other problem was that the TC was light on it and it was shifting very hard. So what I learned how to fix it is to go on this spot over here. My engine is a 2.2 V6 or 4-cylinder, I'm not too sure. But you come here to the TCM, the control module. You pull this out, it has a little tab that you pull out. And once you pull it out, there's a small switch that you gotta hold and you gotta press and release. And this little switch releases. You might get a little stuck, but you gotta fidget with it, maybe get a screwdriver, try to pop it off. Try to take this off, disconnect it. Go back in the car, try to start it. It will not start. Okay, turn it off, come back here, re-plug it in, put it back as normal, and I did replace the throttle body that was underneath here. This pops off, but basically you got to get underneath here. The throttle body's underneath this big cover. And to make sure and double check your work, because I went back to the AutoZone and I rescanned the tool and it said it had a mass flow air sensor that needed to be replaced, but I just haven't plugged it in. So recheck your work, double check it, make sure everything's in place before you put everything back on. But for the TCM, it might work, it might not work, but my situation, it did work. I did some research about the wire. You put a wire here on the ground, and you put a wire and a nut, and you place it here. And they said that it would work. It didn't work. It maybe worked for some, maybe not. But I suggest you try this first. If not, try the wire method. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching.